Under the theme Performing Arts Spotlight on Talent, December at CSK celebrated expression, confidence, and creativity, a month where learning met the stage. The month came alive with a grand cultural fest as students took the stage to celebrate rhythm, expression, and cultural richness through music and dance. Marking the importance of dignity and equality, Human Rights Day encouraged students to reflect on responsibility, respect, and compassion. The Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat project, pairing Andhra Pradesh with Assam, became a meaningful journey of discovery as students learned, shared, and celebrated the diversity of both states through their thoughtfully curated exchange wall. Academic excellence continued with the participation in the IMO examination, strengthening logical thinking and problem-solving abilities. A truly inspiring moment was the visit of Padma Bhushan awardee Dr. Yarlagadda Lakshmi Prasad Garu, whose presence motivated students to dream big and work with purpose. Confidence blossomed in our youngest learners during the PP Kids talk show, while knowledge and awareness were tested in the Inadu Pratibha quiz competition for high schoolers. On National Mathematics Day, numbers came alive through engaging activities highlighting the beauty and relevance of mathematics in everyday life. Instilling gratitude and respect for those who nurture our nation, National Farmers Day helped students understand the value of agriculture and farmers. Learning extended beyond classrooms with an exciting visit to state-level science fair at Murali Resorts for grades 4 to 9, where innovation, observation, and curiosity came together. Campus sparkled with joy during Christmas celebrations, spreading cheer, togetherness, and festive warmth across the school. Through Veer Bal Divas, students remembered young heroes, learning lessons of courage, sacrifice, and patriotism. Strengthen academic foundations, the Reading Comprehension Assessment Program by EXAC supported students in developing essential language and comprehension skills. Under the theme Performing Arts Spotlight on Talent, each grade explored learning through creative expression. From puppet shows and talent talks to quiz dramatization, costume parades, and voice modulation, students discovered confidence and stage presence. The journey continued with music mashups, podcast creation, and a powerful dance drama where academics truly met artistry. Welcoming the new year, our young learners enjoyed joyful year-end activities from glitter bandstands and New Year crowns to treat decoration. The month concluded on a high note with CSK Campus Vibe celebrating talent, energy, and togetherness. With thankful hearts and hopeful dreams, CSK steps into the new year, ready for the brighter stages and endless possibilities. Together we grow, together we shine.